Hello there and welcome back. I'm glad you could join me today. Let's just dive on in. We'll be using the Amex Gold as the base of this design today, as it's one of Anthony's favorite cards. I think having this as the base is a really nice touch to the gift. Let the chip here go. Now let's add this little NFC symbol. Now that's starting to look like a real card. Now let's go ahead and imitate the American Express design. We should take our time to pick a font option to perfectly mock the originals. Let's just go with this, as it's the closest looking font. I don't think anyone will notice too much. Then let's work on the nice warrior circle. Now we're going to add the member since. And make it since 2019, because many of you might not know this, but Anthony began his channel in 2019. Then let's add the smoothly blended background. I think this will really bring out the American Express energy. Now, you also didn't know Anthony's favorite colors are blue and yellow, so I found this nice texture background. Now that's looking good. Looks very similar to the gold. No one could forget the main part of the show, Anthony Venture himself. We will assume that's his real last name. Spiffy him up a bit here. Looks just like an American Express card if I say so myself. However, we could make this stand out more. Let it really shine. Let's make that black instead. And I'm liking this more than the glow. And add a background, really brings out the whole design. This is coming together nicely. Now let's work on design number 2 with this nice happy swoosh color cloth pattern. Let's start work on this option 2, Anthony, as well. Clean him up a bit. Remember to keep that Bob Ross vibe. There are no mistakes, just happy accidents. Now I'm going to work on our original design based on the things Anthony really enjoys, but take that happy swoosh and make it more of a plain color. Actually, let's do a really toned down color version of the last design. with 2 different options for Anthony's. Now let's go back to the original design idea, or you can do anything you want. This is your world of credit cards. I'm going to add Anthony's favorite bank logo in the corner here, then the Chinese word for venture or to dare. Then let's add Anthony's favorite animal, a little happy rhino. There is nothing wrong with having a rhino. Then of course Anthony Venture, where the American Express wording would be. And here's all the designs loaded up on CUCU Covers, where you can make custom card skins. And remember, if you want to grab one for yourself, I'll have a link below, or just use the code COWBY at checkout to get 10% off. And I'll see you later.